Hello everyone, good afternoon, good afternoon. Today I'm making my DIY eyelashes extension. Here we go. So this is my second time making my eyelashes extension. Let's go. Please watch me and how to do my DIY eyelashes extension. So I have bought this one from TikTok. This is one, the brand is Anju Sharma. So it is Anju Sharma brand. So this is only 99 pesos. So I bought this plus shipping pesos. I only paid 134 pesos. So ganito na kadami. Yeah, let's go. Please watch me. I'm so excited that even it's my second time, but I am still excited. Go, go, go. So here we go. This is my second time to make my own DIY eyelashes extension. So malibog ko ang kamera na ba dito or na ba diri. So nara diri. So hi, thank you so I hope magawa ko to ng maganda. This is only my second time. So parang kulang yung liwanag. It's okay. Let's go! This is my second time DIY eyelashes extension. So wala talaga akong makita by the way. So I need my eyeglasses. Jug jug jug. So now I have my eyeglasses so that I can see you guys. I can see you and you can see me too. And also by the way, of course I have to look at this one. Look at this one, gaano karami. Look at this one, gaano karami. Right? So, gaano karami to, oh. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ang dami. Ito na yung nagamit ko. Binalik ko lang kasi parang reusable naman. So, yung gagawin natin ngayon, yung gagamitin natin yung linya na dito. Ewan ko ilang centimeter to, basta ito yung gusto ko. Go go go. So you can as you can see, so may free glue na sila sa 99 pesos at saka may tweezer. So free na yung tweezer nila. Okay, so here we go, let's try. So I have to pick some. So I have to pick this one from this side. This one. So, I already used this one. Sana dumikit pa rin. Okay. So, I have to pick some. Sana maano. Here we go! So, hindi ako mag-eyeglasses pag pag maglalagay na ako ng So, lagyan natin ng glue. So ito yung glue. So lagyan natin ng glue. Watch. So lagyan natin ng glue. So sabi dito, lagyan natin ng glue in a seconds. So may glue na siya. Here we go. Ayan, may glue na siya. Yung may glow na. So, lagyan natin. Of course, hindi tayo magagamit ng So, kailangan natin ng mirrors. So, para makita natin yung yung, ewan ko ba, hirap talaga. So, kailangan daw, sabi daw, i-brush. Wait. Talagang nahihirapan ako. Second time ko lang to. Sabi i-brush daw. So i-blow natin para madaling matuyo. Tapos try natin dito sa bandang. Oh my God! Ayaw dumikit. Live talaga to ha, live to. So alam mo na, live. So second time ko lang talaga to, second time, my God. So Dapat daw binubulikat yung mata. Paano yan ako makakabulikat ng mata? Yung sa kanila ang dali-dali lang kasi ano na sila expert na. Tayo is second time lang. Hindi nyo nakita, di ba? Hindi nyo nakita. Papakita ko sa inyo. Wait, ito second time lang ha. Ayan. Ayan, dumikit na siya. Kita nyo? Tapos, sabi, pinch daw. Oh my God! Nadala. Wait. Bawal daw malagyan ng glue yung tweezer. Kaduling. Masakit yung mata ko. Sensya na ha. Second time ko lang to eh. Ayan, nalagyan na. Uy, ingat kayo ano talaga to, nahihirapan ako. Alam mo na. Talagang ibubulikat daw, sabi nila, ibubulikat. Wait ha, gawa ako mo. Ayan, may stand ako para maghawak ng mirror ko. So, kung kapag first time ka raw, sabi nila, talagang bubulikatin yung mata. So, so pasensya na ha. Bubulikatin natin ating mata. So, there we go. Yan na, dumikit na yung isa. Parang tabingi. Wait, ano ba yan? Di talaga ako marunong. Kapag nakadikit na to sa pilik mata nyo, talagang matibay. Okay, kuha tayo ng isa pa. So same size to, lagyan natin ng Hindi ako makakakita. My God. Oh my God. Okay. Second. As you can see, ganda ba? So here we go, second batch.
But some of the photos are blurry. The photos don't have to be perfect. They just have to remind you of a lovely day. Everyone loves taking photos, and everyone has had a very lovely day. Tonight, Mummy and Daddy Pig are going out for a Valentine's Day meal. Mummy Pig has ordered a taxi. It's almost there.
Then third.
Mummy Pig has accidentally ordered a special taxi called a limousine.
Dumikit yung ano.
Papa and George are going out for dinner. This music reminds me of Venice. What a wonderful trip that was.
So maganda ba? Ayan. So isa na lang. So I have to use this one para maglagay ng glue kasi ano. So brush, brush, brush.
Everyone loves celebrating Valentine's Day, but Mummy and Daddy Pig love their disco limo ride from school.
Ito talaga kapag ano, mga beginner. Mahirap talaga kapag beginner, no? Beginner talaga. Ganito talaga kapag beginner. Daming trahedyang mangyayari. Daming trahedya mangyayari kapag beginner ka maglagay ng eyelashes. So alam nyo na kung maglalagay kayo ng mga eyelashes. So I think I have to put some lights.
And what would think we can bustle up some oranges? Let's see here. The orange juice we feel is very loud. And it hasn't made very much orange juice at all. We'll just
Ano ba yan? Struggle talaga. Daming mga struggling time moment. Dumikit sa tweezer eh.
Grandpa Pig is still trying to make George a cup of orange juice. Oh dear. Could we have some more orange juice, please, Miss Rabbit? Peppa has found a very special pancake machine.
Just one pancake, please, Mr. Robot.
Okay, done.
I can always come back and get more.
Done. So I'm done.
Granny Pig is very excited to eat her spaghetti.
So done na talaga. No? Tagal.
Peppa is thirsty too.
So i-clip natin.
Of course. Grandpa Pig can get you some.
Clip natin.
Grandpa Pig has finally made a cup of orange juice. In fact, Grandpa Pig has made lots of cups of orange juice.
Oh my God, ano nangyari? Dumikit.
The machine has finally stopped making orange juice.
Silly Grandpa, you don't need to make all the juice. You can always come back and get more.
Peppa loves the buffet restaurant. And George really loves orange juice. It is dinner, but dinner has been burned. Oh dear. Do you think we can still eat it?
I think we should treat ourselves to a takeaway.
We choose what kind of food we like and it gets delivered to our house. There's Chinese takeaways, Indian takeaways, or sushi.
This one, please.
Peppa wants to order Chinese takeaway. Let's have this and this.
And don't forget the special surprise.
Peppa and her family have ordered lots of delicious food.
What happens now? Well, first the restaurant has to cook the food, and then they'll deliver it. Oh, but how do they know where we live?
I gave them our address when we ordered the takeaway.
But how will it get here?
Miss Rabbit is on her bike.
Oh, really? She's nearly here. Let's go and find her.
Peppa and George have gone to the wrong door.
Here's your takeaway, Peppa. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Got there. Lots of food here.
Rice, noodles, vegetables.
Grand special surprise for us.
Peppa and George don't know what the special surprise is.
I love rice.
So ganda ba? Ayun na, tapos na. Ganda ba? So tapos na dito, as you can see. So sa kabila na naman tayo. Hirap talaga. Wait. In fairness, hindi madali. fairness, hindi talaga madali. Believe ako sa mga ano. Hindi talaga madali. Ano ba yan?
Wala man day kada bina ko ni lakaw ka, wa man lagi mo tulos tubangan.
Honey. Gaya na nakapay? Wala uy, nag-DIY ko, ginuok ko. Correct. DIY ko, pilik mata. Dili kay taas akong gigamit.
Magda ni. Manipis.
Pwede lagi kalkuan lagi ni. Trip lagi karon ay.
Ganit. Pamilingaw.
Tagas man manang uy.
Mo siya diri man, kun na diri mugbo, wala pa ko ni.
Mura kag yan nagiupawan nga kipilo.
Mo gani okay ra ni siya diri.
Number.
Ambot mo si number ani, may number uy.
Naman na 12, 10.
Ambot. Unsa ni siya nga number.
Kuan pod. Bagaon. Mura di man na buhok, plastic.
Synthetic ra man yun sila.
Di mo gapos yung mata na sa kuan.
Dili magud siya hapdos. Libat lang ka, wala. Ang kanang mga magmodel-model ani no kay abti kaayong pilit. No?
May ka man sila sa.
Igo ra nila na ano. Oh, tapos na. 5 minutes ra daw. Ako naabot na isa ka oras. Gaya na ako.
Kaya, processing. Unstable inyong wifi?
Naman.
Full bars man.
Naman, naghulog ka?
Oo. Wala man diri ang kuan ninyo.
Ang piso wifi man ka.
Dili diri sa sulod no.
Dili giday kalalim lagi yun ani day upay yun ko. Dili giday lalim. Wala pa man po si too much. Kung wala
Kanya pa daw 6:30 siya.
Gino ko malangay na hotda na taan naglitsyon. I-measure to na kung bala mahuman ko ani Kim. Hotda na taan naglitsyon. Wala natin litsyon ana. Kabalubi ako sa mga tao dito.
Sugar kag suo.
Gani. Yan na kasi sinuglan mga 5:30 mo mi.
Ba na sila di ay.
Ito nagayon na lang. O tatakot pa yun. Magmisa manggod alas 5.
Alas 6 na naman.
Nadili, misa ka na murag sa ulog lang ba? Misahan lang siya. Dapat dili gina ko makontrol sa kadaghan ang kanang dapat dili daw kuno daghanon ang glow para dali daw madikit. Okay ra ning dili nga side. Kere ra.
Okay naman. Iyak ni mo.
Upat-upat ra man gud ni.
Hindi mo okay. Kasi.
Ay, iyot. Oh, sorry po. Dagan kayo siya glow ako nabutang. Maanad ko anino kay aptik na dayon ko, di ba? Second time pa ba ya? ₱99 ra ba ya? Daghan naka-istanan. No, reusable man siya pay, basta dili lang gid siya maguba nagtangtang ngini mo sa imong dugay ba siya giligo na ako no. Dugay ko siya matanggal, gitanggal na lang nako kay kuan sa kanang samukan kay ko nga kanang maligo gani ka nga dili gini mo malugod imong mata. Gani gina mali kanang maligo kang mag-anana ka sa imong mata ha.
Sa gabar. Kung ka naanad ba? Di po ka makatarog trapo.
Di gyud kana ana tap-tap ra. Kasapot.
Kasi man. Ikaw sa din ako.
Yan na siya signal madi. So dapat ay 50. tila portion. Manako. So I'm done with my eyelashes extension. Here we go. Napakahirap. Di talaga madali. Bilib ako sa mga sa mga model na mga ganito. So i-clip natin. Patayuin mo natin muna no. So I'm done. Tapos ito sibog pa direng mo ba. Ano ba yan? Okay. Done. So hello guys, hello everyone. I'm done with my eyelashes extension. What can you say? Look at that one. Look at that one. Look at that one. Is that so perfect? That looks perfect to you? Look at that one. Oh, ganda. Bye bye everyone. That's my eyelashes extension DIY. Bye.